Product research, most important thing. There's obviously a couple of different factors. The reason why product research is incredibly important, and actually, let me explain that better. There's reasons why products sell better than other products, obviously. So really what I push and what I mentioned in a lot of my voice notes and videos and live streams previously is that if you understand the actual fundamentals why someone buys a product, then you understand how you can sell that product to someone else, right? So let's say something like this hoodie. This hoodie's not a perfect example, but let's say this hoodie. Yeah, this hoodie's good actually. This hoodie's okay. Because obviously maybe I like the color of the hoodie, right? But then also it's the branding. Is what does the brand stand for? Because when you're buying something from Etsy, it's about it being handmade, it being unique. So this brand is about community and stuff like this, right? Whereas if you're selling a bracelet, that is about, you got to think about the emotional aspect to it, right? So typically it's going to be about, when you're selling on Etsy, it's going to be about the handmade and unique element of it. That's what the side's going to be, right? So you got to think very carefully about why someone is actually going to buy something. What is the reason behind it, the underlying reason behind it? Because then what you can do is you can go on AliExpress and you can find the most random ass products in the entire world, which I might do just 1 second. You can find the most random ass product in the entire world and you can sell that product. Because if you understand the actual underlying reason behind why someone wants to buy it, then that's what works. But if you just know how to use a tool, you just know how to use eRank or whatever, Etsy, whatever the fuck, it doesn't matter, then you never actually understand it, you never gain the understanding behind the actual reason why someone wants to buy that.